Today, Peppa and her family are watching a big adventure movie at the cinema.
Daddy, I need the toilet.
Come on then.
Sorry, excuse me.
Everything all right in there, Peppa?
Yes, I'm all done. Ta-da!
Great, let's get back to the movie.
Oh dear, there are lots of colourful doors at the cinema. And Peppa and Daddy Pig can't remember which one they came out of.
I think it was the blue door, Daddy.
Behind the blue door, there is a mermaid movie. Susie Sheep is watching it with her mum.
Hi, Peppa. Hi, Susie. Ooh, I love mermaids. Can we watch this movie, Daddy?
Maybe another time.
Look, a pink door.
Let's try that one. I can't see Mummy Pig or George.
Behind the pink door, Mr. Bull and Mrs. Cow are watching a romantic movie. She loved him all along.
Huh?
No.
Definitely wasn't this one.
Let's try the yellow door.
The yellow door leads to the projection room, where Miss Rabbit is working.
Oh, hello you two. What are you doing back here?
We went to the toilet, but we can't remember which screen we were in.
Well, this is where I show the films, but it's definitely not where you watch them. But don't worry, we can look together. Did your movie have dinosaurs?
George would love that movie, but it wasn't what we were watching.
Was it this silly one?
No! Oh, what's behind that door?
No, that's where we keep the popcorn.
Whoops, sorry.
Don't worry, happens all the time.
That sounds like our movie. Quick, Daddy. Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
What took you so long?
We, stopped to get popcorn.
Peppa loves watching adventure movies with her family. But Peppa really loves having adventures with Daddy Pig too.
Mummy, I really need a wee. Mummy, I'm bursting.
Aha! Don't worry, Peppa. There's a toilet right here.
Today, Peppa really needs the toilet. And this is a very fancy toilet.
Where is the toilet?
Oh, Peppa, it's, I don't know where it is.
It's here!
Do you need the toilet, George?
No. All done. Now to wash our hands. Nice and clean.
Now, where is the flush button?
I think this one looks quite flushy.
Peppa has turned on the hand dryer by mistake.
Whoops! Maybe it's this one. Oh. Or maybe it's this one. Pop, pop, pop. Pop.
Mummy, can we go to the toilet, please?
There's only one button left that hasn't been pushed.
Flush must be this one. Phew, all done.
Now, George, you definitely don't need the toilet before we go.
No.
Lovely. Come on then.
But, Mummy, it's very messy in here.
Don't worry, this is a very fancy toilet. So all we need to do is step outside. And as if by magic, ta-da!
Ooh!
The very fancy toilet cleans itself.
This toilet is amazing!
Peppa and her family are heading home. But George is getting very wriggly.
What's the matter, George? Do you need the toilet?
But we've just been to the toilet. All right, back we go.
Oh. I hope you can hold it, George.
George is desperate to use the very fancy toilet. Everyone is desperate to use the very fancy toilet.
Delivery for Mummy Pig.
Today, Mummy Pig has received a package.
Oh, thank you, Miss Rabbit. I know exactly what that is. Peppa and George are going to love this.
Mummy Pig has ordered an ice lolly maker. And
It looks like a penguin!
I thought we'd use all the fruit from Grandpa Pig's garden to make very healthy, very tasty ice lollies.
Hooray! Yum! Yum! Hello, Mr. Penguin. How do you work?
Oh, I remember. I had one when I was your age. All we do is... we just... Oh!
Mummy Pig does not remember how the ice lolly penguin works.
Perhaps we better look at the instructions.
Oh, yes, we need ice for ice lollies. The ice goes here and we turn this handle.
It sounds crunchy.
Phew, now we lift up the wing.
Oh, the ice is all mushy.
Now we add the fruit. Raspberries, my favorite.
Next, we pour the raspberry ice mix into these moulds.
George has the lolly sticks. We use these to make the handles.
Good job, George.
And now we just need to wait for them to freeze.
Let's make more lollies while we wait. Yay!
Blueberry.